Yes, I absorb, and especially I really like that we come and, for example, like teacher from BMC can have a little session with Rebeka because I see, but I will see also for first time the timing and to try to connect with her and how. This is from first moment if I see until now on through online session also. To, this is for me really interesting how is going, how this connection coming, how listen her really precisely. This is absolutely amazing for me. And we also try don't do much with Rebeka. We want to just do it this like our BMC and what is really connect with this. So we try now I think third year do it just this, and it's slowly but we see some progress.
Also, this is what we talk about. Like, if there's a habit of she wants to do it maybe in the same rhythm and the same way, and to change the length, the rhythm. I think that's what you know very well.
And I would like to try to, I mean, because she showed us this very beautiful hand to mouth, how to bring it more into a larger way.
People around us see the progress. So we feel it, Katarina, also that it's for her, really for her something. Also, we see around us families with special needs and parents wants to really help the kids. So going to this therapy, and are in some circle, and it's I think a little bit rushing. There is not time for a little bit stopped to absorb to see, and but especially also this the parents connect with the kids. This is something also with connect with BMC also, and with this session what we find it here. It's absolutely about this that through touch we can like really feel what she needs and what she want. We speaking like through the touch with her. Or through arms. I really try like playing like with this and through fingers to start to where we go, what she needs, and we go somewhere and we play and she is she see through the ear. She see through the ear.
pre mňa je veľmi dôležité objaviť, a bolo teda dôležité objaviť to, že to všetko vlastne musíme skúsiť na svojom tele. A až tak vlastne môžem nejakým spôsobom začať pracovať s Rebekou. A to je to, čo sa vlastne učíme aj s Ankou. Najprv to skúšať na sebe a potom nejakým spôsobom objavovať a hľadať tú podporu a tú pomoc pre Rebeku. V tomto sa vlastne pre mňa spája to učenie sa, dotyk a to posúvanie sa.
This touch or through something too close to body and through movement because are shine or like this. But really, I see that it's really easy. Just start to like parents to feel good and like a little bit move and little dance with kids, and it can be just this and can help really. I sometimes, if we play normally and it's coming something naturally with her, and I am then like, oh, I do good or bad. It's right. I have sometimes question all this, but then I see, for example, these 2 days. If I see, I realize that no, it's really it's fine. This is it. It's about it.
O tom hovorila aj Anka, že vlastne je tam, aj Rebeka to ukázala, že ako dôležité vlastne je to časovanie a že koľko času vlastne si my doprajeme na spracovanie, urobenie tých vecí a koľko času vlastne doprajeme tomu dieťaťu, aby sa naučilo niečo maličké a posunulo sa tak vďaka tomu veľmi dopredu. Že vlastne, aby sme nepredbiehali tie veci, ale dopreli si tak krok po krôčku objavovať a rozbaľovať tie maličkosti pohybu a to vlastne bolo vidieť aj dnes na tom stretnutí, aj včera. Takže to bolo super. Ďakujem.